Okay, so I've been using Cryptohopper here for the last couple of days. I do want to let you know I've reset a bunch of stuff in here. I went back and adjusted my true start balance when I started this and cleared everything out so I could get a refresh. So this 2 days in here, this two-day aging isn't accurate right now. It'll catch up with itself because the math just wasn't adding up. I put some more Bitcoin into my Binance, moved some over, and so the math wasn't holding, so I just went with that. But the stuff that I had bought, obviously the Bitcoin going up, everything is in a sell position right now on my sheet, which I don't like, and there's some pretty big negatives in here. So I've gone in and decided to put a hold strategy on all of these coins right now by going into the info. The great thing is it does show you what all the settings are on each one of the coins. I've set them all different, and I have put it into all of them into hold positions. And I'll wait until these start getting into green here and then turn those off. I just don't want to see that kind of negative show up in here. So I'm okay with holding these. I like these coins. That's why I put them as pairs. That's the one that just turned to green. So we'll see what happens with that. I might put that one off. But nice thing is you can do this in Cryptohopper. So we'll see how this strategy works, and I'll update you later.